How to do the OLL case 8 step by step. You have to see this case is formed by these 4 yellow squares you can see like a Tetris block. 2 down here, 2 on the left side and 1 up here. Now I'll show how to solve it. Let's do this. You have to do a double layer move like this. Now you go to the right side. You return with 1 layer. You go again. Now you go up, do a double move, and go down with 2 layers. Now I'll show how to solve a little bit faster, okay? Now I'll show it a little bit faster. Let's do this. That's it. Subscribe my channel to help me to do more contents for you. And comment below if you liked and if you want more videos like this. I will wait you for the next contents. Take care.